these tender spots, these joints aren't really moving very good. It's like a,
Oh, that was loud.
that was good.
Oh.
It's more of a, yeah. Oh man,
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
what a relief.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My head feels lighter.
I bet it does, actually. And just relax, okay? I'm gonna get this right there. That was huge. Gosh. Oh, damn. Yeah. Wow.
Ah, that was awesome.
Yeah, right there. That's the one. That was huge. How'd that feel?
Really good. Oh my god.
Oh, Gumby. There it is. Oh my. It's more of a,
I've seen. Oh.
yeah. Yeah, no.
I've seen that one before.
You felt that right in your hip there. What's the next stretch here?
Oh.
That was, wow. That went all the way down your back.
Yeah, it did. I felt it like a.